right. So, for this paper, what we have to do is it says use your notes on rules of divisibility to complete the practice. Circle each divisor that the number is divisible by. So you're going to look at your rules of what you have. Okay? And our first one is 435. The first thing you're going to ask yourself is it even or odd?
Even.
435, what is it? It's odd. How do I know it's odd? It's got a 5 at the end, right? 5 is odd. So if it's not even, what can I get rid of? If it's not even, I can get rid of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. We're not going to talk about 7, so you can scratch out 7. We don't need 7. Okay? So we're left with 3, 5, and 9. 5 is one of those that you can just look at the number. What's the rule for 5?
Any number that ends in 0 or 5.
Any number that ends in 0 or 5. So does 435 end in 0 or 5?
Yes.
Yes. So is it divisible by 5?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay. So now we've got 3 and 9 left. And the rule for 3 is the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. So we have to add the digits each up. Each one of these is a digit. So 4 plus 3 plus 5 equals 12. Okay? Is 12 a multiple of 3? Yes, it is. All right. Our last number is a 9. The rule for 9 is the same thing. If the digits add up and the sum is a multiple of 9, it's 12 a multiple of 9.
No.
Can you multiply anything together to get 9?
No.
By 9 to get 12? No.
One is odd.
So your only answers are 3 and 5. Okay. So let's look at number 2. We've got 36. We ask ourselves, odd or even? Even. So if it's even, what's the one rule we know it can be?
2.
2. So we know right off the bat that it's even, so it can be 2. Okay, we're not doing 7, and we're also not doing 8, so we can scratch those out. All right, the other 2 rules that we can use by just looking at it is 5 and 10. The rule for 5 says it has to have a 5 or a 0 at the end. Does this have a 5 or 0 at the end? So can it be 5? If it can't be 5, guess what it also can't be?
6.
It can't be 10. Okay? All right. So let's look at 3. What was the rule for 3? Add it up and see if it's a multiple of 3. So 3 plus 6 is 9. Is 9 a multiple of 3? Yes, it is. So we can circle that. We've circled 2 and 3. So what else can we circle? 6. Okay. The rule for 6 states that if it's divisible by 2 and 3, then it's also divisible by 6. What's one easy way that you can remember that? What's 2 times 3? 6. Can I make 6 without the 2 times 3? No. So you have to have 2 and 3. All right. Since we've already added it up, 9 talks, we have to add it up for 9 too. So when we add it up, we got 9. Is 9 a multiple of 9?
Yes.
Yes, it is. So that's going to be divisible. All right. Number 4. All right, see, if we're to 4, what's the rule for 4?
This is 0. If the last 2 digits.
If the last 2 digits form a number that is divisible by 4. So it only has 2 digits. So is 36 a multiple of 4? Yes. So it's divisible by 4. All right, we're going to do one more together, and then I'm going to let you try the others. All right, so look at number 3. Is it odd or even?
Even. No, odd.
It's odd. So since it's odd, what can we get rid of?
Even.
2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. We're also going to scratch out 7 because we're not working with 7. So all we have left is 3, 5, and 9. Just looking at it, what can we get rid of?
No.
5, because it doesn't end in a 0 or a 5. So we can get rid of 5. So 3 and 9, what we have to do is we have to add up the digits. So we've got 2 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1.
16.
It's going to equal 16. Is 16 a multiple of 3?
Yes.
Is it? No, it's not.
12, 15. Just one digit.
Is 16 a multiple of 9?
No.
No. Oops, I circled 3 and I shouldn't have.
Yeah, I was confused there.
All right. So was it divisible by any of the numbers that we had? No, it wasn't. Okay. Sometimes you will run into that. Sometimes they won't have anything that they're divisible by. Okay. All right. I'll do one more with you. One more.
Do the 8,000.
All right. Let's look at 270. Odd or even?
Even.
It's even. It ends in a
70. You're looking at 0.
It ends in a 0, so it makes it even. Okay? So if it's even, what can it be?
2, 4, 2.
2. Okay? Just because it's even doesn't make it automatically 4, 6, 8, and 10, though. Okay? It does have a 0 at the end, so what can
5
we...
and 10.
5 and 10. Okay? We're not working with 7 or 8, so we're going to scratch that out. All right. So let's do some adding them up. So 2 plus 7 plus 0 equals 9. Based off of that, based that we know it's 9, the sum of the digits is 9, what rules can we look at? What involves the sum of the digits? 3 and 9. Is 9 a multiple of 3? Yes. Is 9 a multiple of 9?
Yes.
I circled 2 and 3. What else can I circle? 6. Just 6.
2 and 3.
All right. The last one we got to look at is 4. Are the last 2 digits a multiple of 4? No. So it was divisible with just about everything. Okay?
Except for 3 numbers.
Except for 3 numbers. All right. I'm going to let you try the last 2 on your own, and then we'll go over them.
I need some help. Yeah, okay.